Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you that how you can create an account on Bluesky app. So without wasting any time, let's start our video. First thing you need to do is to go to the Play Store if you're using an Android device, or App Store if you're using an iPhone or iPad, and from there you can search Bluesky and you can download that and install it on your device. Bluesky is currently, the people are downloading and installing it. It is very popular right now. It is the same kind of application as Twitter was in the old time. So as you can see, there are 5 million plus downloads already. So once you download it and install it on your device, the next thing you need to do is to tap on the Open Application. So once you open an application, you need to tap on Create Account. So in the Create Account, you need to enter your email address. So I will type in the email address. Then you need to choose a password here and your birthday. So I will enter all the details first. So guys, once you enter all the details, your email, the password, and your birthday, the next thing you need to do is to tap on Next. So guys, on the next page, you need to enter your user handle. So you need to type in, that will be your username. So guys, once you select your user handle and they say that only contains letter, numbers, and hyphens, at least 3 characters. So you need to select that. Once you're done, the next thing you need to do is to tap on Next. And they say complete the challenge. Okay, so you need to just make sure that you're a human. So now they say give your profile a face. You need to upload a profile picture as well. So if you want right now to upload it, you can just tap on the edit pencil option and then you can upload. If not, then just tap on continue. And from here you need to choose your interests. So you can choose any random ones that you want. So guys, then you need to just tap on continue. From here, you're ready to go. You need to just tap on let's go. So as you can see, it is finishing right now. And there you go. Your account has been created on Bluesky app. So guys, this is all it takes to create an account on Bluesky. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care.